What's up, y'all? So today I have a little blog for you, not blog, vlog. Have a vlog for you guys. I hired a cleaning service. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into the vlog. Just keep an open mind. Don't judge me. Do not judge my house. We busy over here. It's difficult, but yeah, just keep an open mind. Be nice to me, and let's get right into this vlog. First of all, who told fall it could just come up in here with no warning? Because it's freezing. It is officially hoodie season. But anyway, today I am getting my house cleaned by actual cleaning service. And I talked about this on Instagram. And I said I would be doing a video. So this is going to be my vlog. And I'm going to give a disclaimer. Y'all, don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's hard. Like, me and my boyfriend both work 2 full-time jobs. Basically, I have a job, and on top of that, I'm a full-time content creator, and then he also has a job, and then on top of that, he dog trains full-time. I have like a bunch of dogs in the house now that y'all probably gonna see. So cleaning is difficult, and we have a lot of dogs in the house, and both of us hate doing laundry. It's mostly laundry, so cleaning is just difficult. So I got this bright idea to go on Groupon and see how much cleaning services cost. And lo and behold, it was affordable, but I'm gonna get to that later. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through my whole experience about hiring a cleaning service to come through and clean the house. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. It feels really awkward. It's kind of embarrassing, but shoot, even filming this video is embarrassing. It's funny because I asked one of my friends, to help me figure out, we were doing something at work, and they were like, what's something people don't know about you? And she told me to put that I hate dirtiness, but at the same time, I hate cleaning. So this is my life. And I guess y'all can get a sneak peek of what the bedroom looks like. It ain't terrible, but it's just it's unorganized. And that's my boyfriend's laundry. And I'm gonna show y'all my laundry in the laundry room. It's really the laundry. It's really laundry. Laundry gets us every time. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all basically before and after, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about how it went when they get here. And y'all, this is my laundry. Yeah, it's pretty bad. And it's funny because I actually put up some clothes, but that's me. Then we have my hair bathroom / Chevy's bathroom. Just be leaving stuff out. That'd be my problem. My problem is I don't put stuff back as soon as I'm finished with it. And I need to work on that. I'm gonna put that on my list of things to do in 2021. I'm gonna start putting stuff back as I put it up or as I pull it out. And recycling has been a problem. I'm used to living in an apartment where we have a big recycling dumpster, and now it's just that bin we have. I think I need to request 2. I get so many boxes that we just always fill up. And then let me tell y'all how the crayon case played me. I picked up the palette, dropped it on the floor, and all of it fell out. So I'm hoping that they can get this out. This just happened, and I didn't even try to clean it up because I was like, I'm gonna just let them try to figure it out. But this is dang on eyeshadow. But yeah, this is my life, and I will I'll let y'all know how it goes. y'all, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Just to recap and talk about my experience, those ladies did a wonderful job. My plan going forward is to have them come in every 2 weeks. It's been about, has it been 2 weeks? It's been a week or two since they left, and we've maintained it very, very well. It was a very affordable service. I don't like dropping prices because people can up their prices and lower their prices as they please, and I don't want anybody saying, well, they said you charge this and I ain't got time. I will have their information in the description box if you live in I think they service North Carolina and Virginia. I think it might have said South Carolina, I guess, depending on how far in South Carolina you are. But you can go in the description box and find their information. But they did an amazing job. Just so you can like have a run through of how it went down. When they first came in, they were a little quiet. They were talking amongst each other, and then they heard me snap on one of my clients. Well, they're not really my clients, but they heard me snap at somebody at work. And then they kind of loosened up when they realized she a little ratchet. We actually had a really good time. We talked while they were cleaning, and yeah, it was pretty cool. I mean, I'm glad that the ice was broken, because it felt awkward at first just sitting there like, I felt weird. We were just sitting there working from home, and then they were just going to work cleaning. And then I'm glad like the ice got broken and we were able to like talk and chit chat. It made it more comfortable for us. So yeah, the plan going forward is to have them come back once or twice a month, depending on how well we keep it up. Right now it's pretty kept up, so I probably will wait another month. I'm gonna have them come back too and help clean out our garage. That's where the dogs are, and it's pretty bad in there. Pretty bad, stinks. I also want them to come back and help me organize my closet, which I kind of got motivated to do that before they came, just to make sure that everything had a place. That's my problem. Everything, first of all, wasn't completely unpacked. There were some boxes that was still in the video, and we did get those boxes hauled off. I just purged everything. We've been in this place since March, and it's now what, October, and I haven't really touched those boxes. So there was a couple things I needed out of them, but I really just called the city and got those boxes hauled away. Our problem is everything did not have a place because we don't have a lot of storage. The house is pretty big. It's like a 2,400 foot square house, but it's the closet space where we have a whole bunch of room. Like the rooms are big, but the closets are not that big. And I need me, like, when we buy a home, I need to have me like an actual walk-in closet that's like a little mini bedroom, really. So that's like a deal breaker going forward. I'm not moving unless I get that. But yeah, we bought those dressers that you guys saw in the closet, so that way stuff had a place to go in there. And then we bought the other dresser too for my boyfriend, so that his stuff had a place to go, because we were just kind of jamming stuff anywhere, couldn't find stuff. We still can't find what happened to like half of his jeans are just like gone. And I know they were here when we moved in because I remember hanging them up myself because I got tired of seeing them, but I have no idea where they went. Everything just did not have a place, and now I feel like every single thing has a place. And I even want to buy more organizers to like stop cramming stuff in there, because some stuff is crammed in there. It has a place, but it's tight. But yeah, anyway, overall experience was great. It was affordable. Molly Maid was not affordable. That's where I was looking at initially, and they were talking about damn $70 to $110 an hour, and I know they was gonna be here for about 4 or 5 hours. So this was an affordable option. If you guys are looking for a cleaning service, I do recommend you guys go on Google and try to find like a small business. Or we went on Groupon and I located her, and she had a great offer on Groupon, but I ended up not getting the light cleaning. I got a semi-deep cleaning. So yeah, definitely we'll be doing it again. It's way more affordable than I thought it would be, and it's something that both of us can just split. And yeah, if you guys want more vlogs, let me know. This was pretty fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Bye.